Starting your own business with zero investment. 7 money-making ideas using ChatGPT. Hey there, it's Sophia from Money Hub. ChatGPT is currently the world's most intelligent AI and has become a popular topic of discussion lately. You can use it to make money and upgrade your lifestyle. In this video, I'll reveal 7 awesome ways to build a profitable business using ChatGPT. But first, hit that subscribe button to show some love and keep us motivated to bring you more valuable content. Ready? Let's jump into these amazing ideas. Idea number 1. Launch your own branding agency with ChatGPT. What's a branding agency? It's a business that helps other businesses create their brand by assisting with things like selecting a name, designing a logo, writing website content, and crafting brand statements. How can ChatGPT kickstart your branding agency? All you have to do is ask. Need business name ideas? Give ChatGPT some info about the company, and it'll suggest fantastic options. Looking for logo concepts? ChatGPT has your back. Writing website content? ChatGPT's on it. ChatGPT provides amazing ideas, but don't forget to add your own creative touch. Idea number 2. Create your YouTube channel with ChatGPT. The second idea is all about starting your niche YouTube channel. First, find your niche. ChatGPT can suggest trendy ones for you to pick from. Next, generate video ideas. Again, ChatGPT's got you covered. Not a writer? ChatGPT can craft your script. Then, make your video. I use Pictory, an AI-powered video tool. You can try it free using the link in the description. Pictory will gather clips, add voiceovers, and background music. Then your video is complete. You don't need to show your face. With AI, creating videos is super quick, and you can start earning ad revenue from views. Want a step-by-step guide on using Pictory and ChatGPT to build your channel? Comment yes below, and I'll make another video on this topic. Idea number 3. Launch a YouTube support service agency with ChatGPT. What is YouTube support service agency? It's an agency that offers valuable services like generating video ideas, writing engaging scripts, strategizing channel growth, and analyzing data to provide fresh insights for YouTube channels. With ChatGPT, you can generate video ideas for various industries, assist with keyword research, craft catchy titles, and write video scripts, all essential for helping YouTubers grow their channels. YouTubers often pay hundreds or even thousands for scripts. Since they usually make a video or 2 every week, you could earn thousands per client each month. This single idea could earn you $10,000 or more each month. So why not give it a go and help content creators while cashing in on the power of AI? Idea number 4. Launch an email marketing agency with ChatGPT. This idea is super easy. It is starting an email marketing agency. I've made an entire video on how to do this using ChatGPT, and you can get it running and making money in just days. To learn more, check out the link in the description for the video, Making Money with ChatGPT in 10 Steps for Beginners. Idea number 5. Freelance writing with ChatGPT. It is a simple yet effective idea. You might wonder how freelance writing can make you money. Well, you can get freelance writing gigs on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. ChatGPT will do the writing for you, and it's pretty amazing at it. For example, if you land a job writing about losing weight, ask ChatGPT to generate ideas, pick the best one, and then ask it to create catchy titles and an outline for an article. To write the article, feed each part of the outline back into ChatGPT, and it'll write sections based on that. And soon enough, you'll have an amazing article. Idea number 6. Open a translation company with ChatGPT. Why not use ChatGPT's language skills to start a translation company? Offer translation services on Fiverr and Upwork for businesses or individuals. You'll be amazed at the profits as you effortlessly break down language barriers. Idea number 7. Self-publish books on Amazon using ChatGPT. This idea is a little less obvious but super rewarding. Here's a brief rundown. First, find a profitable niche and keywords on the Kindle bestsellers list. Then, use ChatGPT to create a catchy title and book content. Next, design book cover using Canva. And publish your book on Amazon. With ChatGPT, you can create an entire book in just a few hours by generating each page one at a time. Although the process is a bit longer and more complicated, there's less competition, and you can make more money since these books have actual content. So, which of these 7 amazing ways to make money with ChatGPT will you choose? Let us know in the comments. Pick an idea that fits you, and start building your profitable business today. The revolution of AI is happening now. Take advantage of this opportunity. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Good luck, and happy money making.